everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have this beautiful, gorgeous, absolutely stunning green makeup look. I got a new palette. This is my first Juvias Place palette ever. I picked up the Culture palette at Ulta. The color story is absolutely stunningly gorgeous, and I had to share a green look first. Of course, big surprise, it was going to be the greens or the purples in the palette. You probably knew that already, and let's get started. I used the Wet n Wild Mega Last Eyeshadow Primer to prime my lids, and under the eye I'm using the She Glam Insta Ready Face and Under Eye Setting Powder Duo to catch any fallout that I may have. And of course I am using the Juvias Place Culture eyeshadow palette. This color story is so stunning. It's beautiful for spring, it's beautiful for any time, and I'm not even going to attempt to say the shade names in this palette, but I'm taking the darkest matte green in the palette. Like salt and pepper when you're cooking, I am going to literally kind of build upon this little at a time, little at a time. I'm using a short, stubby, dense crease brush, and I'm using this to press the green shade in my outer corner and into the crease, using my orbital bone as a guide, only taking it up a little bit further than the orbital bone. And I am literally going to be building upon this, adding a little at a time, building the color up. It is super pigmented, and surprisingly it did not stain the lids. The next shade I am taking is this beautiful lime green matte shade. I'm going to be taking this on a more fluffier but tapered blending style brush, and I'm going to apply that in the inner portion of the crease. Then you will see me also take this around the edges of the dark matte green in the outer corner. These will blend very easily together. They're in the same color family. They are both mattes, and the formula on these eyeshadows is amazing. Absolutely amazing. So you'll see me go between both of the brushes that I use for the colors, start to blend those. I also build up that lime green shade. Look at the pigmentation on these. Using my finger, I'm going to be picking up this light shimmery green shade. This is like a yellowy green with a blue shift. I'm using it directly on the lid with my finger. I could use a flat shader brush and wet it so I could foil this and get a lot more pigmentation out of this, because you can see it even as applying it now, it's a little sheer. But these can be used alone on the lid or as toppers, and it's so beautiful. Absolutely stunning, and I'm very pleased with this palette so far. It was worth the $40. So pretty. I'm taking the BH Cosmetics Black Light Highlighter Palette, and I'm picking up this beautiful duochrome shadow here, and it's a white with a green duochrome, so it looks white but it has a green shift. I'm using that in my inner corner to draw more light into the inner corner, but also keeping with the green theme. There's no set highlighter in this palette, so I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Wild Heart eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to be using this vanilla shade in the palette. It is just a matte shade. I'm using this on a larger eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to press that under the brow, and then I will slowly blend that down around the edges, and this is going to help just blend out the edges, blend it seamlessly up into the brow area. It's going to help reshape the crease if we need it to, and also highlight that area. I'm taking the dark green on that stubby brush that I used in the crease for the outer corner to put that on the lower lash line. I'm using the light lime green matte shade on the lower lash line as well. Once again, they blend together so easily. And once the eyeshadow portion is done, we're moving on to lashes. I'm using the AOA Studio Lash Adhesive. Favorite lashes at the moment for me are these Ioni Follies lashes. Yes, They are a spiky lash. I am just loving these lashes. So until I get tired of them, I'll probably continue to use them. I apply those. I use the LA Colors Gel Eyeliner in Midnight Black to tightline my upper waterline. And then from Santee, I'm taking this gel eyeliner in the shade Green in my waterline. To match my real lashes with my false lashes, I'm using the Revlon Big Bad Lash Mascara. Today I did not forget to set my brows, and I'm using the LA Colors Browy Wowie Laminating Effect Brow Gel. This stuff is really nice. It does help set the brows in place. Now for lips, of course I've chosen a nude lip, and I'm using Maybelline's 545 Beige Babe lipstick. Absolutely beautiful. Maybelline makes the best lipsticks at the drugstore. I love Maybelline. Now this was the finished look. I love how it came out. I love greens. I love this look matches my nails. Stay tuned for that nail tutorial. I hope you enjoyed the video, found the makeup tutorial helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos using the Juvias Place Culture eyeshadow palette. And don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links and a product list.